This is how to transfer USDT from Binance to Bybit. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to move your money in USDT from Binance to your Bybit exchange. I'll be using apps for this transfer. Please note that this video is for educational purposes and not an investment advice from me. Also, ensure you check if those apps will work in your region. So, how do you transfer USDT from Binance to your Bybit exchange? Let me show you. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to transfer USDT, this USDT, from Binance to Bybit. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Bybit app and your Binance app on your phone at the same time. To see your asset that you currently hold on your app, you click Asset, is Asset. So you'll be able to see all your cryptos. To transfer this USDT to Bybit, you click Send, this Send, click Send. When you click Send, all this will come up. So the next thing is for you to select Withdrawal Method. Are you sending to Binance users? On-chain withdraw, withdraw USD, P2P trading. What you are doing is this. You are sending USDT from Binance to Bybit using on-chain withdraw. That is, you are going to use a network address to do that. So you click on-chain withdraw. You can see this is where you select the coin, and you can see the coin we are using is USDT. So you tap USDT. Don't forget we are on the Binance app and we are transferring USDT from Binance to Bybit. This is where you paste the Bybit address. Because the money is going to Bybit, you have to go to Bybit app to copy the destination wallet address and paste it here. But before you do that, there's one thing you need to do that is very important. You have to check the network that is available and that is cost effective for you, that will not charge you too much money to do this transaction, because there is always what we call gas fee when you are doing crypto transfers. So you click this network options to see the option that you have that will be effective for you. If you scroll through all these options, these are different network you can use to transfer out of Binance. All of them have different costs that is attached to them. But if you check all of them, like BNB Smart Chain option is at a zero fee. That is, they will not charge you anything. But the minimum amount you must send is $10. That is 10 USDT. Tron network will cost you $1 and the minimum you can send is 10 USDT. This one will cost you this amount. But look at it. The minimum you can withdraw is $10. This one minimum is $4, but it will cost you this. So you just look at the amount you are withdrawing and the cost that is attached to it. So Luna will cost you $1 and you can only withdraw $50. But the best one for me is to use this one now, since I'm withdrawing like $10 from this platform. So, and I will not pay any gas fee. It is zero. So I will choose BNB Smart Chain BEP20 as my network. So I will go to Bybit now to pick the network address under BNB Smart Chain network. So you can see this is my Bybit app, and when you get to Bybit, for you to see your asset, that is current crypto that you are holding, you click here. You can see these are my current cryptos. I have invested product here, and these are the current funds I have on my funding and unified trading. When you open your app, home will be the default that you see. You see all this. Since you are depositing USDT from Binance to Bybit, you will click deposit. These are other different deposit options that you have. You click deposit. When you click deposit, you see select payment method. Since you are not buying cryptos, these two options, they are not for you. This is what you are doing. You are depositing crypto. So you click deposit crypto. When you tap deposit cryptos, this option will come up. What kind of crypto are you depositing? Don't forget that we are sending USDT from Binance to Bybit, and we are here on Bybit app to pick the address, that is the destination USDT address. So you select USDT, select USDT. You can see these are different networks that is acceptable to Bybit. As at the time of this video, I just show you not too long ago different network that is acceptable and allowed on Binance network. So as at the time of this video, this was the network I choose to do my transfer from Binance to Bybit, because Binance Smart Chain network is at a zero cost for me, and since my volume is $10 and above, I'm choosing this. So you tap BSC BEP20. The rule here is this, is very, very important. Make sure that you use the same network when you are transferring from one exchange to another. so that you will not lose your money. Look at what they are saying. Please do not deposit USDT using BNB using this network chain. Otherwise, the asset will be permanently lost. So don't forget, the network we are using is Binance network. Make sure you choose the same type of chain. That is just what I just explained now. Make sure you choose the same network from Binance to Bybit. And you've seen that we've chosen Binance network BIP20. So if that is understood, you slide this to tell them that you are clear, so you can be able to view all this. When you get to this place, look at this. Root deposit to funding account. There are two main accounts in Bybit. You click this. Look at it. We have unified trading account and funding account. You have to choose where your USDT is going to. If you are transferring this USDT or any crypto to Bybit just for you to be able to transfer to your bank account in your country, then you choose funding account. But otherwise, you choose unified trading account if you want to use your USDT to do tradings in different currency. But for the purpose of this video, I will leave it at unified trading account. To use this, all you need to do is to go to your Binance app and focus your camera here. It will capture the address. But I will copy this address here. You just click copy, or you come here to click copy address. You can also save the address here. I will copy the address here. You can see, copy the address. You go back to your Binance app. You can see this is my Binance app. You come to this place to paste the address that you've copied. Paste the address. You make sure you double check to be sure that you've pasted correct address. You look at the last digit and the first digit. If you are sure everything's okay, you go back to Binance to send the money. So we've copied the address is okay. You scroll down. The next thing you need to do now is to select the amount you want to transfer. The network you choose, the minimum amount you can transfer is $10. For the purpose of this video, I will transfer $10. You want to deposit all the asset you have. What the USD I currently have is this. You just click maximum, but you can type any amount out of the maximum on this slot. So you just click withdraw. To execute this transaction, you click withdraw. Look at the one again. Ensure you check the network again. You go and check the first and the last to show that you are transferring to the right network. So look at it. Ensure that the address is correct, because that is this address, so that you are not transferring money to a wrong address. Otherwise, you lose your money. So if you are sure everything is okay, you just click confirm. The next thing you need to do is to use my authenticators to execute the transaction. I've just done that, and you can see withdrawal processing. Before you know it, this will be completed and concluded. The money is almost gone, and you just go to Bybit to check the status. That is, if the money is there already. If you check your mail too, you'll be able to see that transfer is gone. Binance will send you an email, Bybit will send you an email, but all you need to do is to come to your asset to refresh, and this amount too will change. So you come to asset, the money is not there yet, but it will soon land. You soon see it. Look at it. You have one deposit request pending. It's under confirmation. This is to tell you that the money is already on the exchange. You can tap this place to confirm that. You can see 10 USDT pending confirmation. So when it's done, you see success, just like others. If you come to Binance, you can see that the 10 USDT has been deducted on Binance. So the money has left Binance. You can see the money is now on Bybit. So this is how you send USDT from Binance to your Bybit exchange using your app. Please do me one big favor. If this video has added value to you, please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. That will help you to know when I publish my videos all the time. Thank you so much for doing that for me. You now know how to do the transfer. Don't forget to use the links below the description of this video to claim your various bonuses, both for Bybit and for Binance. They are huge bonuses. Another thing that you need to do is this. Ensure you check out my YouTube training. The only way to empower yourself is to establish real online business, and there's nothing like video marketing right now online. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.